Hello there. Today we'll be taking up a micro lecture in electromagnetic field theory. And in this process, we'll be learning a lot of concepts that are useful in physics and also can be applied to other branches also. Let's look at one of the concepts. EM theory is essential basis for understanding the devices, methods, systems used for electrical energy. Both electrical and magnetic fields are defined in terms of forces they produce. EM theory is vital for design, operation, and these lines and also many devices needed to connect it to them. Electromagnetism has important scientific and technological applications. It is used in many electrical appliances to generate desired magnetic fields. It is even used in electric generator to produce magnetic fields for electromagnetic induction to occur. By the end of this interactive course, you will be able to understand different types of electromagnetic waves, their application, various laws that are used to design various devices that you see all around the world and also in your home. By the end of this section, you should be able to apply the concepts that are basis of electromagnetic field theory. As we go through this unique interactive course, each micro lecture will be followed by a question or on the same concept, so that not only you learn the theory, that concept is cemented when you solve the problem. Welcome to Virtulearn, the innovative platform for engineers.